Okay, so last time we were looking at a HelloWorld class which returned the string Hello World when you sent the call message so let's go have a look at that spec, Hello World spec. Slow to load up because of Rubicon. I don't know if I can improve that, maybe not have it run on load up, it doesn't matter. Okay, so Hello World, call Hello World. Now, when I was originally writing this, I was hoping to print it to stand it out, but I realized I might not be able to do that in 5 minutes, especially doing test first. So, how do you do a test-driven standard out? So in Ruby, standard out is like like a global object. I don't know. But you can send messages to it. So what we want to do is test that standard out receives hello world. And the way we do that, instead of testing on standard out itself, we're going to replace it with a pretend standard out, and this is going to be a normal string IO object. So how are we going to do this? We're going to change the test to say prints hello world, and we're going to expect something different. We're going to say helloworld.new.call expect output to equal hello world. I'm going to put a new line at the end there. I can't remember if I need a double quote or not. I'll just leave it unquoted. Okay, and output is going to be a string io.new. So there's an object, and I'm going to need to pass it to output. Why do I do this? Output. This is going to be my standard output, so I'm going to have a default value of standard out. So that way I can call without this injected output IO object. And instead I'm just going to go output.puts that. Okay, that's my plan. This is what it originally was. Let's run that. Wrong number of arguments, given 1 expected 0. Output. Bam. Fix that bug. It's unused. Well, obviously for now it is. And I got a string IO object. I realize there's also one more thing I need to do here. Output.rewind. That puts the cursor back to start. Let's call it underscore output. Okay, run this test. What fails? Okay, I get a string. Okay, another thing. 14. I need to call string from that. That returns a string representation of the IO object. Okay, so nothing was written, so I got nothing. I have the object here. Output.puts. Now if I did print line, if I did print, okay, that's interesting. Expected, I think it's what I thought before. I think it wasn't recognized in the special character. Let's run it again. Great. Okay, so now I have a hello world object that takes call, and I don't know how to do this test first, but let's put standard out there. Yeah, I wonder if there's a I'll need to think about that. Well, okay, see you later all.